It comes with a controller. No batteries are included. You're going to require 2 AAA batteries. All you got to do is turn it on, all right? And look at that. Right now, we currently have it at 77. And of course, whatever displays there, it's going to display here. Now we're going to do the swing, all right? On the swing, you could do it from here, or if you want, you could just do it from here. Swing, rotation, look at the swing. Oh, that's beautiful. It feels so beautiful in here. You at least need, because it does curve here, all right, and it's real short, you at least need 2 feet against the away from the wall so it could curve. And like I said, it won't overflow, it will turn off, and at the end of the day, all you got to do is drain it out and reuse it again, or have a bucket, or maybe one of those collectors, water collectors that they have. I'm gonna put a picture in the description how they have them. All right, currently I'm gonna show you how much is getting out of the air. Look at this, 44, right? 44, but I'm gonna show you where it's getting hot. Look at the outtake pipe coming out, all right? It is about 80 to 100. So this one I'm talking about, you are going to necessarily need to pop all the air out. Look at this. A couple questions people had is like, how loud is this thing? How noisy it is? Let's take a look. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to show you. All right, we're going to do another test, and this time we're going to do the sleep mode to see how loud it is. So let's go ahead and do the sleep mode. The sleep mode, I'm going to do it from here. Like I said, I have it right now currently at a room that's 12 by 10, and it's cooling the entire room. As soon as I turn it on, the degrees were 80 to begin with. Right now we are currently at 77, and it's only been 15 minutes, so that's not bad. I'm gonna show you how hot it is. So at the beginning I did show you there was about 80. Now we're at 77 and dropping, so that's just in 15 minutes. You guys are looking for a great product that's going to cool your entire room. 10 by 10, 12 to 12 by 20, 20 by 10. It could cool off pretty much a lot of square feet. So I'm going to actually put a description how much it could actually clear here, how much it could cool off. But this is perfect if you have it, if you're going to be working on the garage this summer, or maybe have it in a shed that you're going to be working on this summer. This is perfect for those kind of scenarios, all right? So Father's Day is around the corner. Your dad's working on his shops all day, or maybe he's a mechanic, or maybe he's a hobbyist. This is a great way to keep them cool and keep them going. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.